That's right, guys. We're all packed up for the night ride. Stick around. It's not going to get old for a very long time. Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. And tonight, oh yes, tonight, not this morning like usual, tonight we're going to go and do a little bit of night riding at Thetford. Also going to meet up with Ash.brb. We're going to see if we can do some cool photography with light trails at night through the forest, and yeah, like, and I'm going to be wearing my chesty and I'm going to be riding in the dark in the woods. So we're a bit of a product review on the moon lights that I use, and yeah, like, share, subscribe, guys, the usual stuff. Let's see what we can do here, shall we? I got a new oval chainring coming, which should be good. See if we can do what Ash wants. Bring it up a little bit, David. It's there. The vain hope that we go from here. For prosperity. Right, as you can see here, guys, we are literally cable tying some electric things to my bike to try and get some cool photos.
Not quite sure what we're doing.
Yeah, literally not quite sure what we're doing. We're actually going to cable tie it around the tyre. This is for extra traction. If you believe that, you'll believe anything. Yeah, Boris Johnson is a good Prime Minister. I've said that now, I'll probably... That's only going to fall off once, isn't it?
Yeah. Now if I put another cable tie in there just to hold the lights in place.
Yeah, no, that's...
Sorry.
Well, yeah, it was one or the other, isn't it? So...
Yeah, because... or if I just do that over there... No, it won't.
No, I think you're asking a lot of that.
Yeah, so far.
I think we're already asking a lot of that, but...
What the fuck are we doing?
Do you know, I asked myself this
The
question.
problem is, that's hanging out there, will it actually go through the fork?
Is it actually hanging out? The cable tie is the only problem. Yeah, cut the cable ties off. So leave a comment, guys, if you've ever done sketchier stuff in the forest. Whatever, to be honest with you, whatever sketchy stuff you've done before.
Then we're going to be responsible and keep holding them.
Yes.
Them
Do not litter.
I don't leave that one protruding just so it catches your leg.
I don't know, it's more like this one. Can we have this one off my spoke? It's like it's not the 80s anymore. The Spokies!
Next time we do bike park Wales, we've so got in the field on the bike.
If Steve's is measured in 100, I think I'm going about a 2. Right, so as you can see, I didn't manage to do a review of the light whatsoever, so let me just do a quick review now. It's a good light, it's very bright, it's made by Moon, and it's called the Storm Pro, and I'll put a link in the description to it, and I will put a couple of little shots now of how bright it is and everything like that. Awesome. So now you can see how good it is. It's a really good night for riding with it. No, really good light, not a really good night. It's not a really good night for light riding. It's a really good light for night riding. So go and have a look, guys, if you're interested. Right, we're going to be going to, well, we are in Thetford at the moment. We're going to do Thetford Forest today again, but what I was looking through my videos, I haven't actually done the whole lime burner for YouTube yet. So I'm going to do the whole lime burner trail for you today on YouTube. You are more than welcome. Please share it about and subscribe. And yeah, next shot will be me starting the trail. Here we are then, guys. We're at High Lodge. We're actually in the car park now, so this is where you start the trails from. We've got a nice little trail map here detailing where we're going to go. Basically, we're here. We're going to do the lime burner today, so we'll go through all that lot. It's wet. Should be fun. We come to our first sort of little bits of roots and rocks, but nothing major at all. Really all easy peasy stuff. Now we are actually approaching our first feature. I think it's meant to be a qualifier, so there's a little rock garden up ahead, or a rock drop. Could be slippery in the wet, but it should be alright. There we go. So there we have it then, guys. That's basically the first feature on the map. It's nothing major. It's a little bit of fun though. So, and also as well, the newly among you who mountain bike, this will be a feature that will probably actually, you'll look at it and go, cool, I don't know about that. But really, it's all rollable, so you can get your front wheel up and roll down nice and gently. You don't have to hit it at much speed at all. As you can see, hit it at either speed, you'll be fine. Saddle back up into the next. In the next section, we've got a couple of little drops. But again, nothing major. They are rollable, so we'll have a look at them. You start building speed from this point, it makes it a lot more fun. That's it. Alright, seat down, attack position, and up. There we go. Little jump. Simple as that. Through a couple of berms. There's a few braking berms on that one. Right, and then we're into a pit. If my trailing peaks up. We're in a little pit, little drop on this side and up. That's the actual route. There's a more steep one there. So we'll loop round and have a look at this one. So as you can see, the lime burner actually goes off that way. That's the route we took. There is, however, a pit if you take this way. So we'll go do that now. In here you got a few little rock drops, a bit of clay, and then someone's put up a nice jump. It's a good little thing to play in. So this is now one of my favourite trails on the lime burner, or sections on the lime burner, and that's Helter Skelter. It's got switchbacks, it's got a little double, or little pump that you can turn into a double, and it's got a really massive berm at the end of it that you can really shove your bike into. So hopefully you'll enjoy this. Okay, so get in the right gear, Helter Skelter. Alright, let's go for it. What we got? Fucking chain. bastards. Well, I did say that chain didn't have many wires left in it, and it doesn't. It's just split. So I don't have a spare masking with me, so I'm just going to split it, join it back up together again, see if that can get me back to the car. What a bastard. Oh, there you have it then, guys. 2 unsuccessful videos this week. I wasn't going to post this up, but I'm walking back and I'm thinking, so you know what, no, because this is what mountain biking's like sometimes. We've all had that trip where we've had to push our bike back to the truck, to the van, to the car. That trudge, especially on a rainy day, really does make it feel miserable. But we will be back, as we all will be. A little bit of rain doesn't put us off, and a broken chain doesn't. If it wasn't for lockdown, we'd be able to pop to the shop, pick something up and get back, but really it's not essential. So hope you guys enjoyed this menagerie of ups, and yeah, next week hopefully it'll be better. Stay safe, guys. See you later. Mountain bike sucks.